Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In this video, we'll walk you through the complete step-by-step process of resetting your TP-Link AX1800 Wi-Fi range extender. Whether you're experiencing network issues, forgot your password, or need a fresh setup, this reset method will help restore optimal performance. Let's begin. Resetting the TP-Link AX1800 Wi-Fi range extender restores factory settings, fixing connectivity issues, forgotten passwords, or setup errors. It's necessary when troubleshooting network problems, changing routers, or preparing the extender for a fresh configuration. Press the reset button for 8 to 10 seconds. Before starting, ensure that your TP-Link AX1800 Wi-Fi range extender is properly connected to a power outlet and switched on. Check that the LED indicators are lit, confirming the device is receiving power and ready for the reset process to begin. Find the small reset button on your TP-Link AX1800 Wi-Fi range extender. It is typically located on the side or bottom of the device. You may need a paper clip or pin to press it, as it is recessed for protection. Use a paper clip or pin to press and hold the reset button on your TP-Link AX1800 for 8 to 10 seconds. The LED lights will blink, signaling the reset. Once they turn off and then back on, the reset is successfully completed. Once the reset is complete, your TP-Link AX1800 will revert to its factory default settings. To reconfigure it, connect your device to the extender's default TP-Link Wi-Fi network, then use the Tether app or a web browser to complete the setup process. After resetting, you must reconfigure the TP-Link AX1800 from scratch. Connect to its default Wi-Fi network, then open a web browser or the Tether app to access the setup interface. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process smoothly. If you experience any issues or need assistance, our team of expert professionals is ready to help. Feel free to reach out for support and guidance. Contact us anytime at 1-323-507-3713, and we'll ensure a smooth setup process for you. That's all. Your TP-Link AX1800 Wi-Fi extender has been successfully reset and is ready for reconfiguration. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more updates.